Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia and I thank you for joining us. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this face using this beauty blender. I haven't always used a beauty blender. I mostly use brushes. However, today I found that the application was completely flawless and I'm probably going to be sticking to that. As well as when I apply like the dry powders, the setting powders, I feel like because I have oily skin, they set just a little bit better. So stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve the look, and enjoy. So I just applied my Kors Wild Rose Oil to my face with my beauty blender. Next, for my foundation, I'm going to use Fit Me by Maybelline. My color is 338. Now I'm going to go in with my cream contour. Now I'm going to set my face with my Sacha powder and my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go with my IVY palette, and I'm going to use number 2. Ambient Lighting Power in Radiant Light by Hourglass. It looks like this. It's the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. And for my eye palette, we're going to go in with Dose of Colors Baked Browns. Use Always On Liquid Liner by Smashbox. For my lip, I'm using Date Night by Girl Power. So this is the final look, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you next time.